kitchen.
All right, we're out here with Josh and Pop like we normally do. We were just in Harrisburg a little while back. And now we're out here at Cobbs Creek. And I'm speaking to
Christina.
You know you guys are actually going to be on YouTube.
Okay.
Fair enough. Thank you for letting us know.
And this is Christina.
And my name is Quan.
Hello.
And could you let us know again exactly what it is that we're doing here?
Sure. This is the Maple Sugaring Day here at Cobbs Creek Community Environmental Education Center.
Okay. And so what is it that we're learning about?
So you're learning about basically what's in your backyard in relationship to maple sugaring. So we have actually some sugar maples that grow natively, I guess you could say that, in this area. And so we've tapped a couple so you can try out the actual sap that comes from those. We also make candies with that same sap.
Okay.
You can also make syrup from that, and we're not making any today because it's a very long process.
Okay.
But you can try some on pancakes over there.
Oh, you got pancakes too?
Yep. There's also an array of syrups.
Wow.
Here.
And then Mr. Verlin's in the back boiling sap.
Yeah, he's actually back boiling
So
stuff.
he can tell you the process. It just won't get done.
So if we walk over here, we can get a pancake?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Josh, let's go and see what the pancakes look like. You want to do that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Wow, look at these pancakes, Josh.
Oh, one's a star.
Yeah, I see.
I tried my best.
You did a great job.
Thank you.
And your name?
Trayvon.
Trayvon. And so let's talk about what your skill and expertise is here today.
Pancake.
Are you,
So I'm making pancakes.
We can see that.
The pancakes give you a chance to see how the maple sugar tastes with the pancakes. So that way you can have a larger dose.
can we try?
I guess I'll try this one because I already made.
I don't eat that.
That was cold. So, I'm sorry, excuse me. So,
You guys came at the right time because I was just experimenting with stuff. So these are a lot larger than.
here you go, big guy.
Thank you.
Are you taking pictures still?
No,
And I'm going to get...
I'm recording this for my YouTube channel.
Okay, and all right, and look, we got folks out here ready to get them on to taste one of those pancakes. You ready to try one, Josh?
Yep.
Okay.
Just a minute.
And how are you?
Good.
And what's your name?
Macari.
Hey, McCurry. And you, young
More
lady?
people on YouTube.
Oh, you're doing YouTube?
Yeah, we're
Yep.
just doing a little educating.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I see
This
a
is
starfish pancake.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
my goodness.
Yeah.
Aren't
It's a
you
little
clever?
lopsided.
Hey, it looks like a starfish to me.
I guess that counts for something.
That's what I said. Oh, how many?
You guys enjoying it?
You enjoying it?
Everybody enjoying it? All right, we're just out here exploring and experimenting.
Hey, it's a good thing to do. It's a
And
beautiful
thank
day
you.
to be out here.
Yes, yes.
Look at
You
this.
got your plate?
Yep. I got this one.
Okay.
Oh,
Say it again. Yep.
she can go in front of me.
That's very kind of you. Thank you. All right. How about
Josh, you want some syrup?
Yes. Yay, I got the starfish. Thank you.
All right, I'm going to put some syrup on Josh's.
Wait, is this regular syrup?
This is the syrup that they got from the trees. Did
Oh.
everybody get... Oh, I'm sorry.
the sap run today? It came out. Oh, you want to taste the syrup? I know green.
All right.
Taste syrup.
Watch yourself, Josh.
These are
Excuse me.
different colors.
Oh, sorry.
All right, so we're going to experiment. Hey, Kay!
I got maple with
Hey, Josh, come on, videotape one of my good brothers from the community. Hey, how are you? And what is this over here?
Oh, this is yeah, I mean, it depends on the syrup from Pennsylvania and some of the maple sugar. Oh, did you get a star pancake?
Yep.
That's amazing! I love it.
Pop, come on. Let's go explore this place.
The candies there, but down at the end, did you try them yet? Oh, they're making these candies down there. Great.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're so good. So then you
And
can
your
go-
name?
I'm Natalie.
Hi, Natalie.
Hi.